Hey guys, how's it going? I know I might not sound as happy as I am due to my the loss of my dog, but I am happy that I do have a new locomotive. It's just sitting right here. Yeah, but bear in mind, after I unbox this, like I said in my video that I'll upload before this one, I am gonna be taking a break from YouTube to recover from my dog's passing. So yeah, let's get into this. So, oh, won't stand up. I was very lucky enough to purchase this the night before my dog passed away. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I was gonna use. Sorry about that. The camera cut out, but I did manage to get the box open. But like I said, I was gonna use a Lego tripod until it kept falling apart on me. There we go. Yep, there it is. Let's get it out. Alright. Okay. Well, at least this is making me smile. So I've been crying my eyes out for the past 4 days. At least I have something that'll make me happy. Okay. Sorry if I'm not that all excited. I am happy. Like I said, I am happy. It's just I need to recover. I might do a re-unboxing of this one day. Put this down. Do this the old-fashioned way, like I did. Come on. And there we go. Look at that. Just look at that. Right, I just got it on a Lego tripod. Sorry if you can't see the engine. It is right here. It already just looks nice. Yeah. Rivarossi cab forward. Alright, let's get this out. Well, let me show you the code. And there it is. You can't see it very well because of tape, but it's there. I did manage to actually win this in a eBay auction, which I'm very proud of. Here it is. Rivarossi cab forward. Let me get the tender out. Sorry if you couldn't see it, by the way. Yeah, like I said, my phone doesn't aim at the box very well. Is that a diamond? Look at that. There's actually a diamond in the headlamp. I knew there was a diamond in there when I saw the pictures. Wow. Is it? Yeah, it looks like it is diamond. Huh. Also, my first fuel-burning locomotive. Does anyone know another locomotive that's fuel-burning? From Southern Pacific? Sorry if I'm not being funny, guys. It's, like I said, it's really hard to be funny when you're sad, so I'll have to bear that in mind, but yeah. Alright, put that down. Now for the engine. This thing is huge. God, this thing is so big. Oh, man. God. Look how big this thing is. It's articulated, as you can see. God, this thing is just absolutely massive. Look how big this thing is. God. So yeah, this is a cab forward. This thing has a very interesting history to it, and I'll tell you why. So like back in the early days in the Southern Pacific, I did hear the story that they had to go through some main lines that has loads of tunnels. I think one of the main lines had so many tunnels. I forgot. There's total like what 30, 40 tunnels, and there was a big problem for the drivers in the cabs. So since what happened was, while the engine was going forward. Sorry if I can't just get in motion because this thing is just absolutely big. There was a problem for the drivers. The smoke and the soot was blowing back into the cab, and it was just choking them. They were just coughing their lungs out because of the. It was just a big problem for them. Until one guy decided he had a brilliant idea. He decided to turn his engine around. Now that is completely fine. That worked just fine. It absolutely worked. But there was another problem. The tender was being pushed, and the reason that the tender was being pushed while the engine was in reverse is that his view was pretty much limited from signs, signals, traffic, you name it. You just couldn't see, and they about had some nearly fatal accidents. So what they did this time, they decided to put this down. Oh no, it's caught. They decided to build one, except this time turn the whole thing around, and they came up with this. And it's a pretty nice one. It's a pretty nice engine. AC6. Is this an AC63? That's what it says in the cab. Could be wrong, but yeah, that is the history of the cab forward. It's a very, very interesting history. It just looks so cool. Let's get it on the track and see if it'll run. Oh, by the way, before I forget, this thing did come with instructions. I don't think the previous owner that sold this showed the instructions, but that's okay. By the way, it said that this is I did forget to mention that even though this is backwards, you still count this from the front. So instead of a 2884, it's a 4882. And you call this mallet. Mallet? I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but yeah, let me show the instructions before I run it. I know no one's interested, but you never know. Oh, okay. So, this is kind of weird. Yeah. I'm curious to see if the light works. I kind of hope it does. If it doesn't, that's alright. I can still replace it with the LED. And you see exploded diagram. I don't think it came with the part sheet like the Hudson did, the Dreyfuss Hudson did. Alright, now let's get this on the track. Again, I'm really sorry for not feeling excited for a reason that I just said. I won't go over it again. Alright, tender on first. It's got plastic wheels. It looks like the wheels have never been used. I don't think this engine's ever been ran, hardly at all in its life. Alright, so this is backwards. I still gotta remember to get it on. Ooh. Man, this articulate is it's much difficult to get the whole engine on track. Alright, my second Rivarossi engine. I was gonna go with a Norfolk and Western Y6B, but by Rivarossi, but that thing's a little bit tricky to find. So my choice was either that or the cab forward, and I went for the cab forward. If I can get this thing to couple. There we go. It's in. Alright. Let's see if this thing runs. Hold on. There we go. Now let's see if it runs. Ooh, it moved. Might need warming up, but it moves. It actually moves. Look at that. Well, at least it works. Might have to give it a second to warm up. It's a bit rough, but it works. There it goes, starting to speed up now. There it comes. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. Alright, I had a good chance a little good chance of warming up. It's starting to run a little bit better now. I think if I run it more, it'll get much better over time. So, yeah, here it comes around again. It's a little bit shaky. So, if anyone knows about that, I'd love to find out how to get rid of it. But yeah, alright, stop it. Right there. Yeah, it's still a little bit rough. I do like to find a way how to make it where it's not rough, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure if I am. Alright. Put one of the box cars on. Put the other one. Got it on that time. Alright. Now the CSX hopper. Or a closed hopper car, if that's the case. Pensalt tanker. Canadian National Gondola. And the two hopper cars. Alright, let's see if the cab forward can pull out of that. There she is, just waiting there. It's kind of... Oh. Okay, for some reason it doesn't like to go backwards. There. Yeah, probably might have to fix it somehow. Oh, there we go. Okay. There it goes. Okay. It's going. There we go. It's coupled. Since this is a freight train, it's my first ever freight train since my real train set back in 2017. Okay. There it goes. It's pulling it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way to do just a bit of work on it. It's a little bit rough, but it's doing it. It is doing it. Well, I wouldn't say it's my first ever freight train since the Rail Tube train set. I take that back. It was actually this little guy. And now it's this one. So now, I hate to say it, but 611, you're no longer the biggest. This one is the biggest, by far. Take it a little bit faster. There we go. Yeah, I like the way how to get rid of that shaky bit, and I like to find a way how to improve this thing more. So yeah. Right, that was Rivarossi cab forward. Get that in focus. Yeah, it's a really nice thing. I actually do like it. I like it a lot. It's huge. It's articulated. It's awesome. I love it. Yeah, this thing was this engine was very difficult to get actually, and I lost 2 eBay auctions, and I just managed to win this one. So yeah, and I bought it back on Sunday, and it was the day before my dog passed away. So yeah, so sorry if this guy's sorry man, sorry for the terrible grammar. Sorry if this wasn't a really exciting unboxing like it normally is. I'm just having a difficult time right now. I'm still sad from my dog, and yeah. So I'm gonna go on to my break now, and I'll see you guys when I upload. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.